welcome to my channel. It's Yana, and currently I'm on the way to the mall. I'm about to do some Christmas shopping for myself and others, so stay tuned. So I just came from Bath and Body Works, and I found out they're having their $10 candle sale tomorrow, so I'm gonna just wait to get anything from there because I'm not about to spend $26 for a candle if I can get it for $9.95 tomorrow. So doing that.
Loud Astro. Loud Astro. Loud Astro.
Alright, y'all, so that was me showing y'all like me cooking. I kind of came in very late because I forgot, in this whole vlogging thing I'm not used to, so I gotta get back used to it. I love this outfit. I'm gonna post in the little link below, whatever it's called, drop bar, the link to where I got this from, because y'all, this is so cute. Okay, and I'm also gonna put it right here. I gotta shout her out a bit in 2 ways. Yeah, so I'm about to show y'all the food, or I'm probably going to enter a photo here because I'm not. Roy, I love this. I did that. No one can beat me in speeding. That's some purse. That's some purse, okay? Purse. Hey y'all, so I'm in the middle of editing, and yeah, I do not have a lot of footage at all, and I apologize in advance about this week's Vlogmas. It's been finals week, so it's just been a lot trying to vlog because I didn't do much, and the little stuff I did do I kind of forgot to vlog. So again, I'm sorry, but this next week Vlogmas is gonna be lit, I promise you guys. But again, thank you for watching my videos. Bye.
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party.